Hi everyone, I am Tony Correa, and today I'm gonna be making a comparison between Kinsta and the guys from SiteGround. So let's start with this. WordPress hosting plans for sites that mean business. So first I'm gonna be talking about Kinsta, and we are going to be analyzing the price and performance and so on. So as you can see, they recommend the business one. For example, in the business plan, you're gonna be getting 5 WordPress installs. You're going to be getting also 100,000 visits in your WordPress site. They're going to be giving you 30 GB disk space, free SSL, CDN and staging, and free migrations. If you have, for example, your WordPress site hosted in another company, you can ever host it here with the guys from Kinsta. You're going to be paying $115 per month in the business plan. Yes, in contrast to the guys of SiteGround, let's analyze about the guys from SiteGround. They also offer WordPress hosting, and let's see their plans. For a limited time, all plans come with free site transfer. Yes, if you want to transfer your website, also you can transfer it here with the guys from SiteGround. In the Grow With package, you're going to be saving 80%, and you're going to be paying $5.99 per month. Yes, with a special discount as well as also in Kinsta. I'm going to be dropping my link down below for you to have your discount. Don't forget it. And also, if you choose the Grow Big plan, you're going to be getting unlimited websites. Yes, 20 GB web storage, 100,000 visits monthly, unmetered traffic, free WordPress installation, free WordPress migrator, yes, also WordPress auto updates, free SSL and daily backup, and many other features, as you can see with the guys from SiteGround. Yes, so as I told you before, you can ever host your website, here with the guys from Kinsta, and also with the guys from SiteGround. So Kinsta doesn't sell a domain, so I'm gonna be dropping another link for you to buy your domain. Yes, but in SiteGround you can ever buy your domain. Yes, that's a little bit different from these platforms. Yes, so you decide. Now let's check the velocity. I have already tested here. For example, for the guys from Kinsta, you're going to be having a performance grade of 91. Yes, the page size, load time, and requests. Yes, in contrast to the guys of SiteGround, they have a performance of 78. Yes, so when we talk about velocity, Kinsta for sure is the fastest, in contrast to the guys from SiteGround. Yes, so don't forget, guys, that I'm gonna be dropping my links down below for you to buy your web hosting or host your WordPress site with the guys from Kinsta or SiteGround. So you decide. And also, I'm gonna be recommending you, for example, I'm gonna be dropping another link for you to buy your domain. For example, Bluehost, Hostinger, or yes, if you don't have already. If you don't have a domain, I'm going to be dropping my links also for you to buy your domains with discount. Yes? Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.